Have a nice morning, dear viewers. Welcome to Gyan Ki Moti. Dear friends, life is a complex process where opposites do happen. Your language should be sufficiently rich to express these contrasts precisely. Here is an attempt to arm you sufficiently with antonyms of words having opposite meanings so that you do not fumble while stating the contraries. Note that there may be antonyms other than the ones given below. Dear friends, I am also giving you the meanings here so that you do not face difficulty in reading and memorizing the words and their antonyms. Let's get started. Above, below, attack, defend, ability, inability, advance, retreat, adversity, prosperity, bottom, top, broad, narrow, buy, sell, blunt, sharp, busy, idle, belief, disbelief, cheerful, gloomy, concord, discord and disagreement, courageous, timid, docile, stubborn, deep, shallow, friendly, hostile, foolish, wise, false, true, guest, host, gain, loss, grateful, ungrateful, humility, insolence, heaven, hell, honor, shame and dishonor, hope, despair, import, export, include, exclude, increase, decrease, justice, injustice, junior, senior, joy, sorrow, knowledge, ignorance, kind, cruel, like, dislike, literate, illiterate, logical, illogical, lend, borrow, material, spiritual, maximum, minimum, mortal, immortal, noble, ignoble, natural, unnatural and artificial, oral, written, dead, alive, exterior, interior, enjoyment, suffering, early, late, economical, extravagant, encourage, discourage, far, near, flexible, rigid, friend, enemy, firm, infirm, foreign, native, order, disorder, optimistic, pessimistic, patriot, traitor, peace, war, punishment, reward, progressive, orthodox, polite, rude and impolite, proud, humble, pure, impure, quiet, noisy, religious, secular and irreligious, raw, ripe, rational, irrational, reveal, conceal, remember, forget, satisfied, dissatisfied, servant, master, sacred, profane, thick, thin, tragedy, comedy, unity, diversity, virtue, vice, voluntary, compulsory, vogue, definite, victory, defeat, wild, tame and domestic, win, loss. So, dear friends, these were the words and their antonyms with their meanings. Hope this proves to be an important information for you. Dear friends, now I am giving an exercise task related to antonyms with 25 multiple choice questions. You will definitely enjoy solving it and your word opposite will also be strong. So, let's get started. Dear friends, in the following sentences, for each italicized word, 4 substitutions opposite in meaning to the italicized word are given. You are required to select the substitution that best expresses the meaning of the italicized word. Here's your first question. Violence is hateful to his gentle nature. And here are the substitutions: rash, savage, immature, illiterate. Now you will have to select the best substitution, and the right answer is rash. Second question is, house prices have escalated rapidly. Substitutions are A. Neutralized, B. Crashed, C. Descended, and D. Fallen. And the right substitution is fallen. Next question is, the judge refused to admit hearsay evidence. Options are A. Legal, B. Clinching, C. Oral, and D. Official. And the right answer is oral. Next is, after the interview he was in an upbeat mood. Options are A. Mournful, B. Helpless, C. Pessimistic, and D. Hopeless. The right answer is B. Helpless. The next is, the number of employees is being whittled down, and options are A. Increased, B. Compensated, C. Aggravated, and D. Retired. And the right answer is increased. Here's your next question. Lucy is a smart girl. Options are A. Lazy, B. Indecent, C. Active, and D. Casual. And the right answer is A. Lazy. They have tried their best to provoke the flood victims. The options are A. Attract, B. Pacify, C. Gratify, and D. Convince. And the right answer is C. Gratify. The next is the judge implicated the investigating officer in the murder. The options are A. Absolved, B. Explicated, C. Exonerated, and D. Liberated. And here is the right answer. A. Absolved. Next is his comment was considered pointless by the chairman of the meeting. Options are A. Significant, B. Objective, C. Original, and D. Impartial. And here's the right answer. A. Significant. Next is the rainfall was plentiful in this part during the last season. The options are A. Handful, B. Small, C. Rare, and D. Scanty. Here's the right answer. D. Scanty. Next question is, I have vague memories of my childhood. Options are A. Pleasant, B. Profound, C. Sufficient, and D. Clear. And the right answer is D. Clear. Next question is, the professor had to share a hotel room with a garrulous tax collector. Options are A. Dumb, B. Tongue-tied, C. Speechless, and D. Silent. And the right answer is D. Silent. The next question is, it was fortuitous that I met her in that party. The options are A. Unlucky, B. Distressing, C. Bad, and D. Abominable. And the right answer is A. Unlucky. Next is, here is jealous only in the initial stages of a project. The options are A. Absent-minded, B. Inattentive, C. Distraught, and D. Indifferent. And here's the right answer. D. Indifferent. Next is, the climate in the north of Europe is really dreadful. And the options are A. Pleasant, B. Comfortable, C. Amiable, and D. Gratifying. And here's the right answer. A. Pleasant. Next is, he glanced through the letter perfunctorily. The options are A. Nicely, B. Carefully, C. Ceremoniously, and D. Particularly. And here's the right option. It's C. Ceremoniously. Next question is, it is not difficult to take note of his immaculate style of writing. Options are A. Stained, B. Impure, C. Uneven, and D. Flawed. And the right answer is D. Flawed. Next is, he is very fastidious about his choice of food. Options are A. Sloppy, B. Careless, C. Thoughtless, and D. Indiscreet. And the right substitution is C. Thoughtless. Next question is, however hard you may try to mitigate his problems, you will not succeed. Options are A. Augment, B. Expand, C. Increase, and D. Enlarge. And the right answer is B. Expand. Next is, genuine jewelry is available only in this shop. The right option is A. False, B. Imitation, C. Cheap, and D. Duplicate. And the right answer is cheap. Next is, his speech was full of frequent facetious remarks. And the options are A. Stupid, B. Dull, C. Grave, and D. Sarcastic. And the right answer is grave. Next question is, it was the most bizarre experience of my life. The options are A. Interesting, B. Important, C. Normal, and D. Healthy. And the right answer is B. Important. Next is, she was in a very overwrought state after the accident. Here are the options: A. Calm, B. Talk active, C. Anxious, and D. Generous. And the right answer is calm. The next question is, this is the most onerous task I have ever undertaken. The options are A. Brief, B. Complex, C. Short, and D. Easy. And the right answer is D. Easy. And here's your last question. The plane deviated from its usual route. Options are A. Stopped, B. Followed, C. Slowed, and D. Changed. And the right answer is C. Slowed. Dear friends, that's it for today. I hope you have enjoyed the video very much. If it is so, press the like button, do subscribe my channel and share the video as well, so that the other students may also get the full advantages of this video. See you in the next video. Till then, keep taking a good care of yourselves. Let's call it a day. Thank you.